Okay, our chicken has been frying for a while now, so they look oh my god, guys. Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be make the most crispiest chicken in the entire world. This one is full of flavor. It have whole heap of vibes, whole heap of niceness. As you can see, I already washed the chicken with a piece of lime just to get rid of all of those impurities, those bloods and all of those bacteria. So our chicken is nice and clean. So we're going to be using the chicken leg, and we're also going to be using the wings, because that's how we roll around here. We eat chicken until we almost fly away. Alright, so now that the chicken is nice and clean, let's go ahead and marinate the chicken. So we're going to be adding in some salt. We're using about a tablespoon of kosher salt. We're using a teaspoon of garlic powder. Alright, so we're just adding in our onion powder. This is going to be full of flavor. I'm going to go ahead and marinate the chicken deep into the flesh. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Well, it's not dirty, it's seasoning, so don't be afraid to get your hands seasoned. After this, we can actually go ahead and fry our hands and eat it because of the amount of flavor that is going to be in this chicken. Alright, so we're going to be adding in some buttermilk. This is the secret right here. So we're using the whole bottle. So we're going to place this in the cooler for about 2 hours so that the chicken soak up all of the flavor, and then I'm going to teach you how to do the breading and the frying part. So
let's also add some pepper sauce for flavor.
Alright, so I have my bowl with my flour. I'm going to go ahead and add some cornstarch, and this is all-purpose flour, of course. And I'm going to be adding my 6 spice. Link in the description down below. You're going to go ahead and combine everything. Alright, let's repeat the process with the wings. So the same thing we did with the chicken legs, we're going to do the same thing with the wings. You just want to make sure you get them down there. Make sure it's nice and coated. We're going to fry these. So I did all of the legs first. I'm going to add these and fry them until they're golden brown. And by the way guys, we're using peanut oil, and guess what? Peanut oil have that superior flavor. It's going to make the chicken extra crispy. It's not going to take away any flavor from the chicken, and trust me, using peanut oil goes a long way. Alright foodies, I'm going to go ahead now and drop the remainder of the wings. The legs are already finished, so the wings are easier to fry, so I'm going to add these last. So when these are nice and crispy, we're good to go.